Hi guys, it's Dr. Mohammad Usman and today I am back with another video on the topic of design thinking, problem solving. I am much thankful for your comments on my previous videos. Do like and share this video to all your colleagues and friends and family. So let's start talking about the today topic, which is design thinking, problem solving. Previously, we have talked about design thinking, three different types of problem and how you can identify those problems and what kind of problems fall in those category. So today we will be talking about how design thinking will help you solving the problems which you have identified in the previous phase. Please note that this video is part of our crash course series. So when we are talking about design thinking, it helps us to solve the right problems. But when we have find the right problem, we also have to find the right solution. So problem finding is about doing the right thing, and if we talk about problem solving, it is about doing the thing right. So when we are talking about problem finding, we are using the design thinking approach because it will help us to find the root cause of that problem, and the root cause of that problem will help us to find the biggest unknown solutions and the big unknowns in our design thinking category. So when we are talking about problem finding, we are designing and finding out a new approach for finding the right solution. So when we have found the solution, we will find out different approaches like lean startup, agile, and we will do the right thing, and we will be managing the things out of these agile and lean startup, and we will try to solve that problem in a right way. So when we will be having the activities which are going in a right direction, we will be having the product to launch into the market, and we can execute the problem solving approach. So if I further divide it into three different major business model steps, I can say that the first phase we are talking about is the problem finding and the exploration phase, which is about finding the problem with the customer, and we have to ask the customer about the problem. When we move toward the problem solving phase and doing the thing right, we are going to test our problem and its solution. We can use agile approach, incremental approach, waterfall approach, lean startup approach, or any other prototype approach which is available to you. It is not necessary to just use the simple approach which you know. And when we move from the test phase, we will be moving toward execution of the product in the market and for the market. So what you will be doing, you will be executing the product, so you can know that how your business creates business value. So moving further deeper into the business value and creating the business value. So exploring further deeper into the business value and creating business value through design thinking, the first phase we were talking about was explore customer problem. So in this one, we will be inventing the future. We will discover the unmet needs of your customers and unsolved problem that customer want to be solved. We will also talk about collecting insights about the immersion and observation of different situations to find our solutions. Similarly, like when we will moving into the test phase for finding problem and the solution of that problem, we can test both of them, and we can test our ideas and a hypothesis according to our problem, and we can generate prototype to see how customers react on it. So we can adjust the product according to the pricing and possibilities, and we can position our different services and activities according to our problem and the relevant solution. When we are over the test problem solution process, we will be going to bringing the product into the market through the execute phase, and we will be identify the activities, capabilities, and resources need to bring the product to the reality. So basically, when we are talking about creating a business value through the design thinking, we are actually going into further deeper of creating business value through these all three steps. We can reframe different business problems to the customer centric approach, and we can generate opportunities that can drive the value for the customer. That can be invention of the business and leading to better processes which can innovate further products and generate innovative products. So when we are talking about business, we are talking about two kinds of things. Normally in business, we have administration of business, and second one is the invention of the business. So administration of business is talking about what the organizations are good at, what they can offer, and what they want to offer. So basically it is just a general term. When we are talking about invention of the business, then we have to talk about why do corporates fail, why do a product is not launched into the market, what was the reasons behind those problems. Because when we are talking about the problems, we are going to find a blind spot, and that blind spot will generate our opportunity, and that will lead to invention in our business. And if I talk about further details in administration of the business, when we are talking about it, we are talking about exploitation, whereas in invention of the business, we are talking about exploration. The general business administration is just a static knowledge. It is short term and it has incremental steps, and there is minimal risks because we have the approaches that are already properly defined, and we just want to use them, and we just want to manage our business and just generate some smaller predictable rewards. We just analyze the market, we provide the reasoning, and we take the data from the previous experiences or from other people. But when we are talking about invention of the business, we are talking about exploration and dynamic knowledge that is long term. We have a significant leap forward, not only steps. We will be jumping from different leaps forward in generating our new inventions, but there is a higher rate of risk, and the rewards are also higher. The term is that when you have higher risk, the reward is higher. So it is based on intuition, feeling, hypothesis of the future, originality, and the research which you are doing in your business. It is not that easy that you just sit one day and you are inventing one kind of process, and you are inventing many different products. It takes some time when we are talking about invention of the business. So it depends on you how you can use design thinking for just the normal business administration, or you want to invent your business to invent different products. So this video was up to here. I hope so you like my video. Do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it, and you can earn training certificate through my video channel, and do share training videos to others. So what you are waiting for? Go to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. Thank you.